What's up, gang? I'm E, and if you new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're gonna love you some me.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this.
It's 10:01. I'm about to do the usual, brush my teeth, and we're gonna take this down. So I'm gonna take this down. I took my nails off last night because we gotta get a new set and get ready for work, because this ain't gonna fit in the bun because it's way too big and I got a lot of them. If I had less, maybe, but unfortunately they're too big and the bun is way too big to do every day. So we're gonna take these down and get my hair back popping, and then tomorrow I have a nail appointment, so I'm gonna take y'all with me then. So yeah, let's get started. All right, let's start taking this down. It's already itching and stuff anyway, because I gotta go to work tomorrow, because I have to go to work tomorrow. But yeah, y'all, they're too big to stay. The bun is like super duper big with these. Like, it's so thick. I wouldn't be able to do it, cause there's too many. I think I would have to need bigger parts if I want big ones. Bigger parts. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start in the back. Too bad. I'll get them next time.
See, they can't even.
It's gonna have to work for now. Can I put it on top of my head? Alright. Let's get started. Definitely bigger parts next time. But yeah, I'm gonna get started and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all when it's done. So I am done. Now I gotta wash my hair and stuff later. 2:09. And I got it done pretty quick because the braids were like jumbo. I kind of like how this looks, like this little wavy pattern. Anyways, I'm about to eat and stuff, so I'll catch y'all later. Good morning, y'all. So me not checking my email. It's my fault. I took my break out when I didn't need to, because I'm still telling So I put my hair back thinking I'm gonna have to wear a bun, but it's all good because they was kind of too big for my liking anyway. Now I know how I need to get them next time. But still, I could have my braids. Learn my lesson. Always check your emails. So, I'm gonna get my nails done today, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all in there because it might be awkward. But okay. put on my uniform real quick and do something at my office. But we're teleworking for 2 weeks, so probably won't have to do that. But just in case. So yeah, now I'm on the way to get some food because I'm hungry and I gotta eat. And guess what I'm gonna get? Drum roll, please. Cold because they're good, they're real, they're tasty. Sponsor me real quick, like. I don't want to hit it right now.
You want fries in the drink?
Yes, large with a Dr. Pepper light ice.
Okay. I'm sorry, did I already ask? Was that a double patty today?
No, that's a single.
Okay. What else for you?
And extra ketchup, please, and that's it.
Alright. And can I get a name?
Imari.
Alright, yes, would be 901 at the window.
All right, thank you.
Pleasure.
Like Culver's done took over. Like they stuff tastes real. I guess I'm my hair smell good. Side note: if you wanna upgrade your hair or your skincare, tap in with me. I got you. I'm gonna put you on the products I use. Just washed my hair and I'm about to style it. Boom. Y'all see these? Y'all see this? Y'all see how healthy my hair looks? If y'all are interested in upgrading your hair care, tap in with your girl. I got you. It's for all hair types. All hair types. Vegan and organic. So I got some hangers from Amazon because I needed some more because I threw away all my other ones because they were like raggedy. And I got pink ones. These are supposed to be strong and they're velvet, and I like how it's like rose gold, or oh, is that gold? I think it's gold, rose gold. And they twist around too, but not like super loose. It really, yeah. So we're gonna get organized and hang my clothes up because I got too many clothes. Hang this up first. Yeah, and the velvet material, it doesn't slide, like your clothes don't slide on it. So, yeah. I just had clothes like I had too many clothes, so I would just fold them up because I ain't having hangers, enough hangers. I don't know how I get all these clothes, but yeah, I like how it doesn't slip on the hanger. The velvet makes it like kind of sticky. Icky. Alright. I'm gonna try it with 2 pairs of pants on it. See how it go. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm about to get some gym action done, body maintenance. If you're not in the gym, then what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? It helps with stress. It helps you feel better physically, mentally. It's all around a good thing to do, so go ahead and do it. I've been asleep literally all day. Like, I went back to sleep, had a good old nap, woke up, did some organization stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna work out, and I'm Hey y'all, this vlog is long overdue. I know. But we here. I wanted to go ahead and close this vlog out. It was a little bit of everything going on in here. I hope y'all enjoy. I will be doing my skin routine next. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Yeah, I hope y'all have a blessed day. Later, y'all.